Good afternoon, students. We already learning about subject-verb combination. That is a very important rule of grammar. And in our previous class, we have learned about two main rules of that subject-verb. One is SS rule and PP rule, and second rule is SS and PP rule is single subject takes single verb, and plural subject takes plural verb. And second rule is if two subjects are joined by and, they usually take plural verb, but if they are giving the same idea or talking about the same person, we always use single verb with it. That we have done in previous class. So let us begin it with more rules. We have today rule number 3 of subject verb agreement. What is that? When two subjects are joined by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject nearer to it. What does it mean? जब हमारे पास दो सब्जेक्ट और के साथ ज्वाइंट है, इधर और के साथ ज्वाइंट है या नीदर नॉर के साथ ज्वाइंट है, तो वर्ब कौन सा एग्री करेगा? वर्ब एग्री करेगा जो उसके क्लोज रहेगा, आइदर द मैनेजर और द एम्प्लॉइज. नाउ वी हैव टू यूज वर्ब हियर इट इज प्लूरल वर्ब. एम्प्लॉइज प्लूरल है और यहाँ पे ये मैनेजर सिंगुलर है, बट वी एग्री अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल we agree with the subject nearer to it. तो हमारे पास जो nearer रहेगा बेटा verb के, that is plural. That is why we have used plural verb. तो हमने have use किया. That is why we use have in it. Similarly, either the employees or the manager, there is single subject and we use has here. यहाँ पे हमने singular verb use किया. तो rule के according, what is the rule here? If two subjects are joined by or, either or, neither nor, the verb agree with the subject that is nearer to it. जो उसके close रहेगा वो उसके साथ ही agree करेगा, either it is singular or plural. Let us do it with more examples. Neither the students nor the teacher was late. Neither the students nor the teacher. Here we have subject singular nearer to verb. That is why we use was. इसीलिए बेटा हमने was यूज किया. लेकिन अगर इसको हम चेंज कर दें, टीचर यहाँ पे कर दें और स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे कर दें, तो जो वर्ब हम सेटिस्फाई करेंगे दैट इज वर्ब वर हियर. नीदर द टीचर नॉर द स्टूडेंट्स वर लेट. इज इट क्लियर? आई थिंक दैट सम concepts can be developed in our mind. That is rule number 3 of subject verb agreement. Or neither nor, either or agrees with the verb that is closer to it. Is it clear? Now we have one more rule. Singular indefinite pronouns take singular verb. For example, for this we have to identify first what are the singular indefinite pronouns, like everyone, each, anyone, much. These all are singular indefinite pronouns. What is the rule for that? It always takes singular verb. ये अपने साथ बेटा singular verb लेंगे. Everyone enjoys the festival. जब हमारे पास subject में everyone आ रहा है, each आ रहा है, anybody आ रहा है, we use singular verb with it. तो हमारे पास जो verb रहेगा इसको हम singular verb use करेंगे. SES form of verb हम इसके साथ use करेंगे. Someone is waiting outside. We can't write someone are waiting outside. Single indefinite pronoun use हुआ है someone. That is why जो verb हमारा रहेगा is waiting outside. No one knows the answer. No one, again singular indefinite pronoun. तो verb जो हमारा इसके साथ agree करेगा that is single noun. Single verb हमारा इसके साथ agree करेगा. So rule is singular indefinite pronouns agrees with the singular verbs. Next is plural indefinite pronouns take plural verbs. Plural indefinite pronouns take plural verbs. Simple है. Singular indefinite pronouns take singular verbs. Plural indefinite pronouns take plural verbs. So let us understand what is plural indefinite pronoun. Many, few, several, both, and more. These are plural indefinite pronouns. So these take always plural form of verb with it. Like several students have complained about the noise. Several students have complained about the noise. So बेटा हमारे पास जो indefinite plural आया subject में, that is plural indefinite pronoun, तो इसके साथ जो हमारा verb agree करेगा that is plural verb, right? Similarly many, plural indefinite pronoun, agrees verb with it, plural verb. तो हमारे पास जो इसका verb होगा that is again plural verb आएगा. Few know the truth. Few again plural indefinite pronoun और इसका जो verb agree करेगा it is again plural verb. So in rule number 3 and 4 and 5 we come to understand subject verb agreement कि किस subject के साथ हम कैसा verb जो है वो use कर सकते हैं. We can do it with more practice so that we have some definite understanding on the topic. Thank you for today.